Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on BIOLASE, ticker BIOL. I've talked about this one a couple times here on the channel. As you can see, I have some shares here. I have some more in a retirement. Should have bought the dip, but haven't, so that's my current cost basis. But this is BIOLASE, ticker BIOL. And as you can see what this one's done here over the last 3 months, so it's been kind of up and down quite a bit. So if you want a good cheap one to trade, this might be the magic one for you. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, so just stating my opinion. And here's what it's done over the last month. So, oh man, that would have been a great dip, but I can't catch them all, so sometimes person might be too diversified, but I feel diversification is good to a certain extent, as long as you're not overly diversified and missing out on a bunch. But that's why you set alerts and set your alerts and put them on your watch list and check them every once in a while. So, but back to BIOLASE, I have 153 here at, we'll just call it 90, well, round up 92 cents, so a little bit off, but need to buy or purchase one of these 70 to 75 cent dips. And if you don't know what this one is, it's a medical device company engages in developing, manufacturing, marketing, and sale of laser systems in dentistry. And so I've talked about this one a couple times. I'll go ahead and link those videos in the description as well. But it operates through the Waterlase all tissue systems and diode soft tissue system products. So if we could get this into the hands of a dentist out there, and I mean, even maybe an orthodontist might look at this one. They do more corrective, but a dentist, and then you have your dentist that do the extraction. So I mean, if you could even get these type of products into a small percentage of the dentists out there, I think you'd make a killing on this stock. But just stating my opinion. Trying to be optimistic about this one, but you could have got into a 52-week low of 24 cents, 52-week high of $1.51, and a market cap of 122 million on this one. Here's a look at their last earnings. Next one coming up on August 12th. And here's one of my last purchases on this one. Looks like April 14th. There we go. So 86 cents. I just got 10 shares. I've been trying to buy the dip, and dollar cost average down. As you can see, 85 cents. Got some there at 85 cents. So must have bought some a little bit higher, is why that's higher. But moving on here. So again, BIOLASE, feel free to pause and go over the rest of that information there for yourself. The laser products of the company incorporate about 290 patent and patent pending technologies, so that's got to be a decent catalyst there as well. And sorry about that. And over here on the bar chart, just a different look at it on 81 cents. Day's low of 75, high of 83, previous close of 75. And there's a look at the market cap. We already looked at that, so feel free to pause and go over the rest. And here we have an article. BIOLASE rose 66.67% from its 52-week low. Year-to-date numbers, 79.15%, and this is just dated here today on the 11th. Here's some things to keep in mind. During the last session of BIOLASE, trade shares were 3.11 million, with a beta value of a company hitting 145. So like I said, this one is up and down. 52-week high of $1.51, puts it down minus 101.33 from that peak, still striking 66.67%. 52-week low of 25 cents. So like I said, if you were looking to trade cheap stock, this might be the magic one, but again, you'd have to do your own due diligence and figure that out for yourself. So I haven't traded this one. I've just been buying the dips and sitting here holding it. That's currently what I've been doing. But and here it kind of goes over some trade information as well as the estimates and forecasts. Here's why BIOLASE, and this is dated on the 8th, weekly performance minus 0.87%. Shouldn't bother you at all. Like I said, it doesn't really bother me. I buy the dips and just kind of sit on it, and long-term investor on a lot, and so I just kind of buy on the dips. So when they do go down, it doesn't really bother me all that much. So they had a pretty dodgy run when it comes to the market performance. The 1-year high, which we already touched on, $1.51. Looks like it was on 126.21. Lowest value of 38 cents for the same time period, recorded on 1/4/21. So the big month to be in this one looks like it was back in January when it just started taking off. And I don't know if you can do options on this one, but if you had an option on it, that would have been a pretty decent chunk of change as well. So, and feel free to pause and go over here to Reddit. Study hacks for bio classes. Here's my freshman schedule. Nothing in there. So on StockTwits, currently at 81 cents, 52-week low of 25, high of $1.51. Net revenue of 8.1 million, beat the analyst consensus of 779 million and increased 70%. So as long as the volume keeps up, maybe we can get positive PR after hours. Squeeze happens, good luck. She's done after hours, go parabolic. So we'll see what happens. Stopped at 83 for now. So not too much other information in there. Over here to tip ranks. Pretty good ratings. A strong buy, 4 ratings with 144% upside and a $2 projection. So we'll see if it hits that and when it does. But it looks like it's trying to get through that 83 cent. Today's low of 83 cents, so it's having trouble pushing through that. So 82.75. Maybe it's going to try it again here. So, but if you have BIOLASE, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis and any other information that you have on this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel and get the videos out to some more people. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers as soon as I can here. And I thank you for watching the videos. And if you have any other information on BIOLASE, like I said, go ahead and list that in the comments as well. So, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.